Introducing the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, the latest contender in the upper mid-range smartphone market. With a host of powerful features and cutting-edge technology, it's set to revolutionize the way we think about battery performance and overall usability. At the heart of the Turbo 4 Pro lies a massive 7,500 mAh battery. Thanks to silicon carbon anode battery technology, this device packs incredible capacity without compromising its sleek form factor. And Xiaomi isn't stopping there. Rumors suggest the company is testing smartphones with an 8,000 mAh battery, raising the bar for endurance in mobile devices. While it skips wireless charging, the Turbo 4 Pro is expected to support 90-watt wired charging, delivering ultra-fast refueling for its giant battery. Perfect for users on the go. Powering the device is the flagship-level Snapdragon 8S Elite chipset, featuring a Cortex-X4 Prime core and A720 efficiency cores. Expect blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking for gaming, streaming, and productivity. The Turbo 4 Pro also impresses with its design. A stunning 1.5K flat AMOLED display, combined with a metal frame and glass back, gives it a premium look and feel. Globally, this powerhouse could launch as the Poco F7, continuing the legacy of rebranded excellence. With its unmatched battery, powerful chipset, and premium design, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer. Stay tuned for more updates on the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest tech news.